So welcome back. Let's have a look at our Space Invader game. Make a new Python file. I'll call this player. We'll add this class player, and we'll call then we initiate, of course, the init, and we're gonna have lives, and we're gonna have an X position and a Y position. Of course, self at lives is lives, self at X position is X position, and self at Y position is Y position. And you know, say def move self X move and then direction, and then we can actually we should also add speed here. Self dot speed is speed. I'll say self dot X position plus is direction times self dot speed. Now, currently this is all we really need to do, because our player is only going to move from left to right, and we can actually go to our main file. We can import player from core.player, import player. Player is player, and then we have lives. Set it at 3, X position. We'll set it at 25. Y position is going to be 0, and speed is going to be 20, for instance. Doesn't really matter. And actually, all these hard-coded numbers should be in the config, so that's what we're going to be doing next. I'm first going to get status, get add core dot player, get add main dot py, get commit message, and the message is going to be add player class. And the next thing I'm going to do is, of course, I need to add some doc strings, as always. Player class that is to be controlled by the user. Currently can only move left and right. And then live is going to be integer, X position is going to be an integer, Y position is going to be an integer, speed is going to be an integer. It's going to be the distance the player can move per turn, or per iteration is a better word, per iteration. Fixed position, Y coordinate of the player, because it can only move left and right, so there's no sense in having a variable Y position. X position, the X position where the player is located, and lives, the number of lives the player has. When it reaches 0, the player dies. And then we can add a doc string here, move the player into the direction where it towards direction with distance speed, and direction is going to be an integer. either 1 or -1 currently. 1, I'll split right, or -1, which would be left. And of course, we also have to add this git status, git add core dot player, git commit add docstring, git push. So now we go online to GitLab, and we'll create a merge request. And we're gonna say created player class. I'll assign this to me. Delete source branch. I don't think I need to squash the commits. And I can see the changes here. And I need to change the target branch to development. Compare branch and continue. And then the changes here show that indeed, this is what I've changed since last time. So it's 30 deletion, 30 additions, 0 deletions. I'll submit the merge request. And in this case, I'm just gonna merge it because, yeah, delete the source branch, merge, and there we go. So, thanks for watching. I hope you, yeah, that you learned something new about how branches work, and we'll see you in the next time.